Chris Collard here. We are in Moab, Utah, and today we're doing the Warren Trail Ride. So this is Andy Lilienthal. Did I get that right?
You got it right.
He's I don't know what you do with Warren. I see you all the time.
Oh, geez, my technical term is the strategic communications manager, but that basically means I do media relations, public relations, social media, copywriting, clean toilets, make lunches, you know, whatever they
So you
need.
need like 4 bills on that.
I've got a lot of hats, yes.
So anyway, we're doing the Warren Trail Ride. How many years has Warren been sponsoring or hosting the trail ride?
Quite a few. I started originally in 2006, and we were doing it then. I know we've been doing it for years before that, so definitely decades, we can say that.
We got a bunch of Jeeps behind us. What trail are we doing?
Today we're going to do Cliffhanger.
Cliffhanger.
Yeah, classic.
So Eastern Jeep Safari or Red Rock Four Wheelers has a rating system on their trails. Is it like 1 to 10, 1 to 5?
I believe it's a 1 to 10, if I remember correctly, yeah.
And where does this one fall?
I knew you were going to ask me because I don't know, but I'm going to guess it's probably like a 7 or 6 or 7 is going to be a guess. Not super extreme, but also not just a, you know, an all-wheel drive trail.
Okay, all right.
It's a classic, though.
So with a name like Cliffhanger, though, I'm thinking, I mean, are we going to be spooling out Warren winch lines? And
There's always the opportunity for spooling a Warren winch line. You know, there are some cliffs on Cliffhanger, so it might not be the best for those of you who have a fear of heights. So
fear of heights. All right. Well, I don't have a fear of heights. I have a fear of falling.
yeah, it's not the heights, it's the falls.
It's the
gravity
and the falling.
Yes.
So, yeah. All right, cool. So I'm looking forward to today. We're gonna load up. We're gonna check out some of the cool Jeeps we got behind us. Everybody's ready to go. And, all right.
Cool.
Excellent.
Glad you're here.
Stick around, guys. It's gonna be a great day. All right, guys. So we finally made it out on the road, not on the trail, and I am riding today instead of driving. Radio chatter there. And my awesome driver today is Jessy Greenland. Jessy, tell us about the Jeep that we're in.
Well, her name is Rockstar, and she's an 09 JK 2-door. And of course it's got Rubicon axles underneath it and all the good stuff. So it's very capable. We're going on Cliffhanger today. I'm a little gun shy on that drop, but we'll see how it goes. I'm super excited to be here with Chris and Warren today. So we'll have a lot of fun.
Out pretty good. Figured we just pull it up instead of beating on the rig.
Everybody's going
Yeah, so I'm here with Chad. Chad's with Warren Industries. Been there a long time.
Yeah, 32 years.
32 years. One thing I love about Warren is that you got so many people there that have been there like decades.
Yeah. Yeah, we got quite a few people. It's a great place to work. We got good bosses, and we get to come out and do fun things like this sometimes.
Yeah, and that's what that tells me. A great place to work when you got people that like stay forever. You know, that's, you know, start and retire from a place. Also, speaking of great things, so we've been coming up this obstacle behind it, and that thing's like got some pretty good steps on it. Does it have a name?
I'm not sure what the name is. It's all fun.
Well, it's like, what was the technique? It looked like we had like 2 lines coming up. Some guys were taking that line up the passenger side, and then there were a couple guys that were, you know, had a lot of testosterone. And
Yeah, they wanted to give it a shot, try the hard side, and then move over when they couldn't make it.
move over when they couldn't make it. A couple of them made it, and they kept the rubber side down. So. Got Mike there at Factor 55 doing it right now, but long wheelbases seem to do better the way the steps are spaced out. Short wheelbase, it's like you're trying to climb them at the same time.
Come on, pop that thing.
But Mike, no. He's just playing Mr. Cool. Yep, he's like, excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Hey, excuse me, pardon me. Excuse me. What year is this rig?
2021, brand new.
So if you have not been to Moab, I'm telling you, it's one of the most, I mean, it's God's country. It's one of the most stunning, beautiful places. You're either up on top of a cliff, like the one we're on now, or you're looking down at the bottom of one. So, you know, the driving, got to be pretty careful, very cautious. Mistakes can be deadly. But man, if you look around, it's like, it's one of those places I have spent a lot of time and always appreciate, just like driving down this little 2-track down here in the bottom of this canyon, finding a place to camp, just beautiful. So yeah, if you haven't been to Moab, I'm sorry, but got to put that on your bucket list. How'd they go?
Oh man, that was fun. Didn't take as long as I thought it would, and I didn't break anything.
So we're a little dustier than we were this morning, according to Andy. So that was an awesome trail ride, man.
Yeah. Cliffhanger is, it lives up to the name. There's a pretty gnarly cliffside thing. If you're...
That stuff coming down that ledge, like,
Yeah.
man, it's like your driver's side towards the cliff. And I got out, of course, because I was going to do some filming. It wasn't because I was nervous or scared or anything.
Can't imagine.
No. I like, it's like, you do not want to make mistakes on that
This is
slide.
true.
So guys, we are on like what we might call the top of the world. So it's a lunch spot. We're actually a little bit behind the curve. I mean,
Yeah, there were some obstacles that required some winching, and when you got a group this big, it takes a little bit of time.
You're a winch company though, so
I'm not saying it's a bad thing, it just takes some time.
It's good demos on the product.
That's right, Gotta use it.
Yeah, absolutely. So, yeah, and it looks like the weather is turning a little bit.
It is, it's a little chillier up here. There's a chance for some rain, snow tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes, but you know, Moab, weather changes by the minute.
Well, it can. So you can go out in the morning and it'll be beautiful sunny shorts weather, and hopefully you're in an enclosed vehicle because you could get snow in the afternoon.
Yeah, I'm for a Jeep with the top indoors here in the next couple of days, I think.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining us. It was an awesome day. Really appreciate Warren sponsoring the event. Like, you know, we had some great people, and you know, great wheeling, great jeeping. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah, appreciate it, Andy.
You bet. Thanks for
man.
coming. Yeah,
All
you
right.
bet.
Cheers, guys.